Welcome to WebStarPlus. In this video, I will show you how to recover Instagram account after deletion. Simply go to Instagram, press your profile icon at the bottom right. Then from the top, tap your username. It will show my Instagram profiles. You can see I've got 3 Instagram accounts here. There were 4. I had deleted one account previously. So to get back that account, I'll press add Instagram account. From here, I'll select log into existing account. Here I will choose use another profile. Here username and password is required. So to recover your deleted Instagram account, come to this screen, use your username and password to log in to that account that was deleted. They will ask you if you want to keep the deleted account. Select keep it and your account will be recovered. Or check your associated email address. You will find notification email from Instagram. In there, you will find a link to keep deleted account. Follow that link and your account will be recovered. I followed that link and they're asking me that if I want to keep using this account. I'll select keep account. And here it is. This is the account that was deleted, but now it is recovered. Let me show you on mobile. So I'll press my username and here it is, that 4th account that was just recovered. And this was the 4th account that was just recovered. If you are unable to do so, in Google search Instagram support. Select Instagram Help Center. From here, press menu icon at the top right. Select manage your account. Select signing up and getting started. Scroll all the way down. And where it asks, was this helpful? Press no. Select other. Press select. And here tell them your situation and request them to recover your Instagram account. They will get back to you with instructions to recover your Instagram account. Follow the instructions to get back your deleted Instagram account. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.